So in this episode of Bill Builds, we're going to be doing something different. I'm going to be talking about Walrusoil furniture butter. This product is amazing. It makes wood look natural and it makes it look very, very, very pretty. You'll see when I put it on this nice cherry and ash, it has got all natural products in it. None of it is man-made. It's all plants. It's vegan. And it's food grade, so you could eat it. Please do not eat the furniture butter. Okay, don't put it on your toast. What I like to do is I like to take a paper towel, and just using a paper towel, I like to wipe it on and then buff it off. I also used a sponge brush to get into all the nooks and crannies in the corners. That will also work. I use the paper towel after to buff. I want to say thank you to Walrusoil for this awesome product. Also, please consider subscribing, like this video, and share it with your friends so everybody can see it. Have an awesome day.